Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your skincare routine with Neutrogena. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current skincare routine. Gather your existing products and take note of their ingredients. Identify any areas where your skin may need improvement, such as dryness, acne, or dullness. Now, let's explore Neutrogena's range of products to find suitable upgrades. Start with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This lightweight moisturizer hydrates your skin without leaving it greasy. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean, dry skin using gentle upward strokes. Next, consider the Neutrogena Gel Cleanser. This cleanser effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping moisture. Use it daily, morning and night, for best results. If you're looking to target acne, try Neutrogena's Rapid Clear Treatment. Apply this spot treatment directly on blemishes for quick relief. For those seeking anti-aging benefits, incorporate Neutrogena's retinol oil. Start with a few drops at night, as retinol can increase skin sensitivity. Remember to follow up with sunscreen during the day, especially when using retinol. Neutrogena offers a range of sunscreens tailored to different skin types. Choose one that suits your needs, whether it's matte finish or moisturizing. If you're concerned about dark circles, look into the Neutrogena Eye Cream. Gently dab a small amount under your eyes, using your ring finger. Finally, consider adding a hydrating face mask to your weekly regimen. Look for masks infused with hyaluronic acid or niacinamide for extra hydration. Follow this simple tutorial to upgrade your skincare routine with Neutrogena. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.